Hello, yoga friends! Before we begin Rumi's confidence flow, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can join us every day for fun and healthy yoga adventures. Let's begin. Tree pose, stand tall. Root deeply like an ancient tree. Good job! Standing forward fold, be a ragdoll with arms hanging softly to the ground. Excellent! Warrior 3. Spread your arms and fly like a superhero. Now, switch sides. Wonderful! Garland pose, squat down. Ready to jump, ribbit ribbit like a frog. Well done. Boat pose. Keep your balance to row the boat over the waves. Amazing! Monkey pose, stretch your legs long like a monkey jumping through branches. Great work! Mermaid pose, look back to admire your beautiful fishtail. Now, switch sides. Fantastic! Half bow pose, turn into a small basket holding fruit. Now, switch sides. You are doing great! Bridge pose, lift your hips high for the river to flow underneath. Superb! Wheel pose, curve your body into a sparkling rainbow. Good. Fish pose. Open your chest and breathe like a swimming fish. Nice. Seated twist pose. Twist your body back to look like an owl. Now, switch sides. Perfect! Rabbit pose, curl up, hide your ears, and go to sleep.